Hello students, standard 7 subject max. Today we will start new chapter number 3, data handling. So here with the flow chart I am explaining you what we are going to study in this chapter. We are going to study first data. What is data? Observation. Introduction I will give. What is mean, range, median, mode. What is called mean, range, median and mode. All this we are going to learn in the introduction. I will give explanation. Then we will come frequency distribution table, tally marks. Okay, then afterwards we will learn bar graph. What is bar graph? That already we have learned in 6th standard. So introduction, I am not in the introduction, I am not going to explain because you know bar graph better. In 6th standard we have learned we have to draw bar in graph paper. And lastly, probability. What is probability? Chance and probability. Last topic is chance and probability. So introduction of this chapter I am giving. Quickly see and understand and write down all points. Draw flow chart, everything in your max notebook. So here introduction I am giving. What is data? Data is a collection. Data also we can say. Data is a collection of information, figures giving some particular type of information. So suppose why data handling, why we are learning this chapter? Because to learn or to see big information in so small particular picture or in the form of sum, we are using data handling. So suppose number of students in class 7 we don't know, so we can make a classification of this and we can understand and know the number of students in class 7, height of students in 7th standard or marks of particular class. So for that we are learning this chapter. What is handling? Handling means arranging or organizing the data in the tabular form. Okay, observation means number of each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Means the number which are given in the data, that are called observation. Then we will come another topic is range. What is range? Range is what? Suppose data are given, we have to find highest observation minus lowest observation. So here suppose these numbers, these data are given. So which is the highest? Highest means biggest. The 9 is the highest, and which is the lowest? 1 is the lowest. So we have to minus it and take out 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8 is the range of this given data. Understood? Now come to mean. What is mean? That we have learned in standard 5, that average we are means take outing, isn't it? So that mean is called average only. So what is the formula? Sum of all observation upon number of observations. Suppose here I have taken one example, 14, 3, 17, 9 and 7. So sum means what? Plus total we have to do of this observation. So 14 plus 3 plus 17 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 50. And number of observation. What is number of observation? That number of observation we have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of observations are 5. So what we have to divide it? So mean is equal to 50 upon 5. So 10 is the mean of given data. Understood what is mean? Now next topic is median. Median. What is median? If it refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data. Means suppose we have to if data are given, okay, we have to arrange them into ascending or you can descending order, you can arrange them and find out the middle observation. How you will find? See, if the datas are number of datas are odd, okay, so this formula we have to take. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. Okay, see here, this datas are given. Okay, number of observations are what? 11. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11, what is the formula? This formula we have to take, and 11 plus 1 upon 2, so 12 plus 2, the sixth observation. So which is the sixth observation? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 133 is the median of data. Okay, now if the observation number of observation are even, okay, at that time which formula we have to take? This formula we have to take. And means what? Number of observation. N upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation upon 2. Suppose here I have taken another example, 9 6 4 2 6 8. These are 10 observation. Okay, first what we have to arrange in ascending order. So I have arranged this in ascending order. So number of observation are 10. Now this formula we have to take same. So fifth observation plus sixth observation upon 2. So which is fifth observation? Fifth observation is C, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 you write down, fifth and sixth. This is fifth and this is sixth. So 6 plus 6 upon 2. So 6 plus 6 is what? 12 upon 2. Okay, and so 12 upon 2 is what? 6. So 6, median of data is 6. This way you have to find it out, median. Remember, write it down in your notebook, all the examples, all the things which I have written and explain you in your maths notebook. Now next topic is mode. What is mode? Mode is what? Mode is the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often, means that number repeated more than 2-3 times or more than one time, that is called mode. So here this data we have taken, we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, and then see which number is repeated more time. So most time or more time. So see here 17 repeated 3 times, isn't it? So here 17 occurs 4 times, more than 3 times or 4 times. Okay, so 1, here 17 also will come 4 times. So mode is of the given data is 17. Understood? Now what will come? Frequency distribution. What is frequency distribution? A table or a frequency. What is frequency? Means most time repeated. That is called frequency. Distribution means we have to distribute. A frequency distribution is a list or table or graph that displays the frequency of various observation in a data. So here what is frequency distribution? That whatever data are given, that we have to distribute according to the various observation of the given data. So what is next is tally mark. What is tally mark? Tally marks are the line which we are doing. Suppose marks are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So 1, if it is there, 1 tally mark, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 4. See, but if 5 is there, you have to draw 4 standing line and 1 slanting line. It is called 5. If it is 6, 1 2 3 4 and 1 slanting line, then 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This way you have to draw tally marks. Okay, next thing I will explain in next video.